just added the rubber ends, the silicone. This is for the bottom of it. They give you the actual, the top ones that we're gonna probably skip these. These are for the handles, but you could add them in there if you don't want to cut yourself because it's a little sharp edges, all right? Just to let you guys know. Here's the final product that we just did. Now, it was a little short from the edge. I didn't measure it right, but this is the actual rubber end that comes with. And this is because this is a little sharp, all right? Now, they do give you the handle sides, so you can put them in there. Plenty of space. Put up to 2 inches of dirt if you want, and then plenty of space for your cat. And somebody's just waiting for me to finish it out, so she really enjoys these things for some reason, but she wants her own privacy, and it's perfect for corners. All right, this is a perfect angle if you guys can see bird's eye view for a corner. All right, so we put it in our corner of our bathroom here. Suggest maybe get a little carpet too, like we have our carpet from the last one. Now this one fits in any corner, and if you guys can see, it's perfect. Now we did put about 2 inches of dirt, easy to pick up, all right, easy to change. Now this is perfect for hygiene because it doesn't get rust. It's perfect stainless steel. I keep it in here because I do shower in here, waterproof. It's perfect. It won't stain anything. It has that extra footing in the bottom that we have. And plenty of dirt for our cat. So he comes in here, she comes in too. We have 2 cats. They take turns either here or the other bathroom. We have 2 of these. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.